Let's open the box. So we get a warranty card, we get a quick start guide, and inside the box we get the vlog pocket. We get a little tripod, and we get a case. Oh, what's this? And we get a USB micro charging cable. So let's have a quick look at the device itself. So it folds up really small. If we unscrew this, we can bring that round and we can lock it here. You can unlock it there and you can lock it into place there. So it does seem quite sturdy, and it folds down to be really small. Vlog pocket, could I fit that in my pocket? Yeah, I could. It's certainly better than other gimbals. Particularly, this is now my third gimbal, and this is so much more portable than the other ones. And yes, wow, it stands up like that. So, with the tripod on, this is the size we're looking at. And yeah, that definitely is small and useful. Now I'm going to see how well it works with the phone in.